Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix if nearby friends option is not available in your Facebook account or it is missing in the settings in your Facebook account. So guys, here you can see this, the nearby friends option is available in my device. So guys, if you also want to get this option on your Facebook account, simply watch this video till the end. So first of all, go back to your home screen, and from here open up your settings, and from here scroll it below, tap on general, and from here tap on iPhone storage, and from here scroll it below and tap on Facebook. So as from here you will have to simply offload your Facebook app from here. So I simply offload your Facebook app from here and go back, and from here you will have to simply go back to your home screen, and from here open your app store. So guys, from here you will have to simply download and install the latest version of Facebook in your device to get nearby friends option in your Facebook. So guys, simply search here for Facebook, and from here simply wait for some seconds, and from here simply download and install the latest version of Facebook in your device. And after this, check if you have got the nearby friends option on Facebook or not. So if you are not getting this option, again you will have to simply go for the next solution, that is you will have to open up your Facebook. So guys, open your Facebook from your device and wait for some seconds, and from here tap on this menu button, scroll it below and tap on help and support, tap on report a problem, and tap again on report a problem, and tap on don't include in report, and from here tap on checking or places. So guys, from here you will have to simply explain your problem in a brief way that nearby friends option is not available in your Facebook. So guys, you will have to simply submit this report with a screenshot to the Facebook team, and they will try to fix this problem for you, and after this you will be able to get nearby friends option in your Facebook. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.